April 15th, 2025 was a day for the history books. That was the day that Rubin Observatory turned its 3,200-megapixel LSST camera to the night sky for the first time. It wasn't just flipping a switch. It was the result of years of preparation, careful testing, and the work of thousands of people.
The telescope is going on the sky for the first time, like right now.
As night fell in Chile, hundreds of Rubin team members on site and online gathered to watch. And when that very first image appeared on screen, for many of the team, this moment was even more exciting than sharing Rubin's first public images a few months later. It was proof that the camera was alive and working, that systems were communicating, and that Rubin Observatory was truly recording the sky. April 15th was just the beginning of a long, careful testing and tuning phase. But that first night showed us something important. The observatory was ready to capture the cosmos.